when you sit down and you want to do some action or something that you don't succeed, know that Karim have taken this thing because you didn't take it to do the right thing to people. You let people cry. You let them cry. Cry. Today I want you to stop crying and then call me. You are in prison. Whatever you are in across the world, watching me, take the number and call me. Today that you are going to laugh and then smile. Go back to where you come from. If you have run and leave your town because of your own people, or bank people are chasing you, or some people are chasing you because of their money. You borrow it and go and give it to one man. You take it easy. Stop crying. Just stand. Take the number and then call me. And then I'll let you go back to where you come from. And then go and be someone in the town. What you need, what is the meaning of instant money? Something that you are going to do to someone and the person will just take it and go and deposit it into his account or something. But they will see the money, they can't take it. Why are you doing people like that? He will come and then spend a lot of money on it. That instant money. He will see the money like this, but he can't take it. Why is happening? And then one man will tell you that when they spend bread the money, he can't take the money. You are not a human being. The difference between me and you is the spirit. I am a human being like you. Why can the spirit bring the money and I cannot spend it? For what? Mean that you yourself use your own mind. You yourself you can't spend the money because he's a human being like you. Or any party say one. I don't know this kind of brand and I won't be somebody this kind of brand now. No mal and on to me and I know or no comfort on to me. Everybody say or any party say wow. For what do you more on man? Oh, say obedi kente we akon soda. Kente we dia o hwe no. O say obedi ade akon soda. Na box na me kira won sisi na obetuma won say then e wo. Me pese o won bibia e wo bi ase what you say. Ye nka bibia I'm different from everyone. When you see this one from somewhere, the person take it from Karim. I'm telling you to see this thing. When you see it before, the person take it from Karim. When you see someone take this thing. Someone take this basket, do something for you. The person take it from Karim. I tell you today. And then when you see this box too, somewhere, the person take it from Karim. I'm different from the 419 business malams. Not everything is bad. This is different. You are watching me. This is water. I'm going to pour the water all into this basket. And then the box too, there is nothing inside. You will tell me what you see in your physical 2 eyes. I'm not going to edit something. No post and pay in my place. So when you are calling me, make happy. Know that you are going to Karim to come back with happiness. When you see these two actions, this something, because it's something. Because people, when the madam come to air and then he doesn't show money, people that they don't trust him. I want to see empty this box. That is why they let you people see the money, but you can't take it. We are the right person, the right people in the world. We still alive. To take your problems away, your spiritual problems away from you. Let you be a human being. Go and marry, and then go and look for a husband, and you to go and look for a wife. Because no money, you can't do anything. I want you to get money, and then you will be the most richest person in the world. I'm too young, but when you come to me and see where I am, you will think I am a prince. But I'm still young. When you see the place that I'm living, the things that I got, if I'm going to show you my cars and the things right now, you will run. You can't count them. But I don't drive them. I want you to come and see who I am. How did I look like? Okay. Let's see something. This one. Baby, I'm telling you that you think that I'm going to lie to you. See this very well. It's a basket. But I'm going to take this yellow container to pour water inside for you to see. And see how things are. Alexander, me no pa fantomatizo, me no pa kujintana, bibi ma me no pa tamarati, kundo zo me no pa gobla, oshira me no pa ta ya, akuma me no pa razunsa. Para, me no pa daga majiriko. Where do you see this thing before? But they are there lying to you, showing you their cars, houses, and then for you to trust. They will take what belongs to them. They are going to lie to you, go and borrow money and come. They will take the money from you. Then later when you go to prison, and then you run and leave your town. looking for somewhere. What is that? It's water. Nothing is inside. It's water. If any spiritual man tell you that he give this thing to me, let the person call me or come with the person with me. Tell him that I said he took the basket from me. I'm different from everyone in the world. No one can do what I do. But if I'm going to approve people in abroad, Ghana here, everywhere, if they are going to call what Karim do for them, I will lose my phone or my eyes. I will not hear again. But I'm not here to claim. I want you to know that we have powers and empowers. We have 419 and then we have really people that they can help you for you. Take you out of your problem. I'm telling you today to know. It's water. Water that people drinks. I'm telling you. It's water. You drink it. Then if you like, I can pour it back again for you to know. It's water. It's water. What can you see? Where can you see this thing? Who can do this thing for you? So if I tell you that I can kill you, I can do you something, it's really. If I say, just open my mouth and tell you, I will do you this, there's no any way you can run to. Let's stop the 419. Let's do what they want. Don't show them your car. Don't show him the properties. He's coming to you to help him to get what he wants. Take him out of the problem, that spiritual problem. Take him out of it. But for me, catch up. Where the what is this? It's box. That is a box. You see? It is a box. It is a box. You see it? That is a box. I'm not going to edit something, to pause and play something. You are watching me live, wherever you are, across the country. This is Malam Karim. Then I'm going to tell you that this is the box. You will see what is going to come from. My brothers and sisters, let's always put a smile in front of our people. I don't want to talk too much. Talking. If I'm going to be talking, keep on talking. I'll talk like 3 days, then I will not finish. But I want to end you here. For you to see. You yourself, you watch me. When I close the box, there's an empty box. I want you to see something. Assalamu alaikum ya jinnu kubra. Assalamu alaikum ya jinnu kubra. Haiza mankawacha jinnu man haiza pawati waiza ozigi dimino pales and tichimino pa kufebre. Ya dia muna sanu kulun kabra fo ya dia rafat para mino pa daga majiri wales mino pa fantomati zo mino pa kushintan bilu mino pa tamalatim. Akum omino pa simsa. Tamba alizene ozigi dimino pales. What is inside? It's money. What is inside? So I'm telling you, when the few people are here lying to you people, I don't want to waste my time here. Because what I'm going to do is, I can do something what they can't do in the world. I don't want to waste my time on this 419 malams and then things. I have to drag myself away. That's why I always be in the room. But the good people, they already come to me. When you put the camera on outside, you see people, but they are here for me. But I've stopped them. Because what the guy tell me, I have people to know that there is 419 in this world. They will lie to you. You go and borrow money, you will not get the money that you borrow. The banks people will be chasing you. You go for loan, they will be chasing around. At the end of the day, you will go to prison. You will leave your wife and children and go to prison. And you will leave your husband and then children and go to prison. Because the money that you borrow. Look for the right person. Take the number and call me 0244 78 6961. 0244 78 6961. Call Malam Karim, the right person. The powerful spiritual mind in the world. Not in Ghana here. The whole world. If you can challenge me, let me and you meet. On live, on television or something. 1-on-1. No editing, no pause and play. You run and leave your clothes there. If you trust us, just call me on it. 0244786961. But I'm telling you, today is your day. Karim is here to bring back your destiny. Let you be who you are. I'm coming to put a smile, bring the smile back to you. Me catch out they say, me bese was right. Ube nisika. Mrawe ya umra, ube nisika. Whatever how the spiritual thing is between you, bring it to me. I need the people that they roam about. Going to people that they don't succeed about this thing. People that they roam about. You want to some people, so you don't see what you want from them. This money, because I know they have defrauded people because of money. Bring the problems to me. Wherever you are, whatever hard it is to bring that things to me. I'm going to take you out of that spiritual problem. Then I'm promising you, as you see me laughing, when you come to me, that's why you're going to laugh. And you take the things that you want and then go out. People are outside waiting for me. I don't want to talk too much. But the best thing, Karim is the most powerful spiritual mind in the world. Not in Ghana. Karim is the most powerful spiritual mind in the world. I'm not just saying this. I mean it. You see the things that I can do. So I want to end you here. Just take the number 0244786961. And then call me wherever you are around the country. I'm going to approve something. Let you be who you are. Assalamu alaikum.